By the way, I'm here at the Taal Vista Hotel. Hi guys, good morning. This is Magaru and welcome to my channel. Today is my editing day, and by the way, I'm here at the Taal Vista Hotel in Tagaytay City. And you know what, guys? I'm very excited to finish this day because I have here with me what they call the laptop of tomorrow. Actually, this is my dream laptop for editing. Oh my god. I am talking about the ASUS Zenbook Duo. This is UX481 model, and I'm gonna use this for the rest of the day. But for us to be able to know what I'm talking about, let's take a look at this beauty. And I assigned this day to finish all my content and pending blogs. And what better way to finish this day is to have the ASUS Zenbook Duo, the laptop with a unique design that includes the ASUS ScreenPad Plus, giving me a great time to finish my work efficiently. As you can see here, I actually started to love this ScreenPad Plus. By the looks of it, it brings a full-width secondary touchscreen that works seamlessly with the main 14-inch FHD display. Also, I have noticed that the trackpad is positioned at the lower right corner. It's very smart in making use of the keyboard space accordingly. What I also like about the Zenbook series is its unique ergo-lip hinge. As I have mentioned in my previous reviews, focusing on ergonomics is one of the best features in their 2019 laptop. For Zenbook Duo, it provides a 5.5 keyboard tilt. This ergo-lip features in Zenbook laptop is not just giving me more comfortable typing experience, but cooling and audio performance are also enhanced. Looking for ports, Zenbook Duo provides HDMI, USB 3.1 Gen 2, and USB Type-C 3.1 Gen 2 on its left side. On its right side, you can see the micro SD card reader, audio jack, and USB 3.1 Gen 1. With ScreenPad Plus, I like how I get to see all websites extended up to my keyboard. And also, Zenbook Duo is equipped with a powerful Intel Core i7 processor. With this, you can run as many apps from your main screen up to your ScreenPad Plus. As we love to bring our laptop in different time and location, Zenbook Duo maintains the powerful keyboard backlight for you. I like how Zenbook Duo provides its built-in audio editing. As an editor for my YouTube channel and IGTVs, this one helped a lot in scoring my videos. The ScreenPad Plus paved the way in not using too many markers and guides. I can totally bring the sound scoring game up to the next level. All I'm saying is that I can get addicted and glued in finishing a lot of work non-stop in a day, just like what I did. Guys, it's already 8 o'clock and I accomplished a lot today. Thanks to this ASUS Zenbook Duo, sobrang dami ko nagawa, and I can really say that it really helped me with my editing. And with the design itself, it's na-appreciate ko yung meron silang mga useful quick controls such as the app switcher. Actually, yung mga apps, I can actually drag it down to the ScreenPad Plus. And it takes my creativity to the next level because of the ScreenPad Plus. The ScreenPad Plus, the extended monitor for me is really something that can enhance the cross-display productivity for me, and nag-work siya because I get to use a lot of different applications all at the same time. Here in the Philippines, we don't have the stylus support for this model, but nevertheless, the touchscreen for the ScreenPad Plus is really helpful for me to be able to finish a lot of stuff. And sobrang happy ako kasi sa screen ako talaga nag-work. Sobrang galing. Also, kanina, I've been working non-stop and namamatay yung laptop every time I go to the restroom or I'm doing something other than work. But I like the IR camera because there's a facial recognition for this laptop. For the trackpad, I'm a left-handed kasi it's on the lower right. But nevertheless, ang ganda ng navigation niya. Also, kanina, as you can see, yung ergo lip niya, kanina, nag-work siya for me kasi sobrang na-optimize din niya yung cooling and typing experience ko. Once again, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'm active on Instagram and Twitter. That's Magaru. Special thanks to, of course, ASUS Philippines for letting me experience the laptop of tomorrow. Really, this is the next big thing for laptop market. And that's it. I think I deserve a buffet dinner, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel again. Thank you and good night.